Hey, it's Dave here with more brilliant ideas from TechShed. Today's challenge is dealing with the absence of global variables in Nintex for Office 365. We will show you one way to overcome this by configuring a SharePoint Online list to manage variables that can be referenced in all your Nintex workflows. Our first step is to create a SharePoint list that will store our variables. I have already created a list called TechShed Global Variables, and you can see that it only contains two site columns. The first is the title to identify the variable, and the second is the value that we want to retrieve within our Nintex workflows. Now we have the list created, we can use the query list action in our Nintex workflow to retrieve the required variable. The query list action will retrieve an item from our list called TechShed Global Variables. In this scenario, the filter we apply will retrieve the value for a variable called notification email address. The column to select is the value column that contains the email address in this case. Once we have the query list action configured, we assign the value retrieved into a workflow variable. We can now use this variable throughout the rest of the workflow. This approach allows variables to be updated easily through a familiar SharePoint list interface. You will obviously want to secure this list so that workflow designers can only update these list items. I hope you found these bits from TechShed useful, and if you have any further questions, please contact us directly. Thanks.